Hello guys, welcome to today's mini video. In this video I'll be responding to Musa Zulfika. He asked, how do you do that multiple file in one design? So I'll be showing us how to create multiple file in one Photoshop Canva. Without further ado, let's head to Photoshop. So I'm using Photoshop 2025. Basically do it You can basically do this in any of the Photoshop suites. So you head over to File, click on File. When File comes up, you go to your sets, you go to your presets, you input the social media size 1080 by 1350. So for you to get multiple files in Photoshop, after you have clicked on your new file, you see new document, you input the name of the file, let's say social media designs. So this helps you to be organized. So let's say you are doing a monthly design for a brand and you don't want to be doing it in separate file, so you can add all of them together. You come to this place that they have artboards and you check it. Then when you check it on, you create. So I will show you the difference without the artboards. So I'll click on it. You see, this is the difference. So I'm going to go back and create a new document with the artboards. Then I'm going to check on it now. I create. You can see artboard 1. So this artboard 1 is here. You can create multiple artboards. So anytime you want to create an artboard, you just need to come to this place and touch it. Then these 4 plus signs that are here, any part you touch is where the new artboard is going to be in. So if you click here, you see it comes to the left. If you come back to this place and you touch your artboard, if you click up, it goes up. If you click here, it goes here. You can see you now have 4 social media sizes inside your Photoshop. So you can design day 1 here, you can design day 2, you can design day 3, you can design day 4, and the list goes on. And put up to 100, you can even carry it with different sizes also. Let's say I want to put for landscape. You can see it here. This is it. If I click it here and I want to do 1920 by 1080, if I click on it, you can see the size. You can also move your artboard also. You just hold on control and hold the artboard and you can move it about. You can also adjust the sizes manually by holding control and putting any size. So this is it. This was how I created this artboard with different designs for social media. So I hope this was helpful. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate if you do so. Thank you. See you in the next video.